I'm making green peas, ground pork, onion, and garlic. Like a vegetable. And later I had to fry this. So I'll mix it. Then let's put some oyster sauce. Luto ako ng simpleng ulam, mga kabayan. I don't wanna baka masira asin yung mga gulay ko. Kaya I need to cook it now. I wait for maybe 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and then ready na to. Nagpa-fry po ako ng eggplant. Ayan o. Wait lang for like 5 minutes para maluto. As i-mix natin dito sa vegetable na may ground pork and green peas. Okay? Okay, I'm almost done. Ilagay natin yung eggplant. Ayan. So, mix natin ng konti. This is ready. Yes. I will taste it. I'll taste it. Tikman natin kung masarap. Not bad. Tastes good. Pwede na. Delicious. Thanks for watching, everyone.